6 easy recipes for plaque removal from your teeth. Most people want their teeth to be sparkling white because it looks and feels good. As beautiful as a row of gleaming chiclets is, good oral health is essential for various reasons. Taking proper care of your mouth, as in your teeth and gums, should be a top priority for your health. Good oral hygiene can help prevent bad breath, gum disease and tooth decay. Furthermore, good oral hygiene helps to protect your teeth as you age. Plaque is formed when bacteria combine with food byproducts and proteins in your mouth. Plaque coats your teeth, grows below the gum line and adheres to fillings and other dental work. When plaque hardens, it becomes tartar, which can cause serious problems such as gum disease and inflammation. Gingivitis is a condition that causes inflammation of the gums and is easily treatable in its mild form. Tartar almost always forms due to a long period of poor oral hygiene. Therefore, plaque and tartar formation should motivate people to care for their teeth. What should be done? The first step is properly caring for one's teeth and gums. Here are the fundamentals of toothbrushing. Brush your teeth at least twice a day and take your time and be thorough, don't rush. Use appropriate equipment, for example, brush your teeth with a soft bristled toothbrush and good toothpaste. Electric and battery-powered toothbrushes may be more effective than manual brushing at reducing plaque and mild gum disease. Employ proper technique, hold the toothbrush at an angle towards the tooth that meets the gum line. Brush the chewing surfaces inside and outside the teeth and the tongue. Rinse the toothbrush thoroughly and store it upright until the next time. Covering the brush with anything will encourage the growth of bacteria. Replace your brush every 3 to 4 months or whenever the bristles become frayed. Some people, including yourself, prefer to use more natural methods for oral hygiene. You can, for example, make your mouthwash and toothpaste at home. Making your mouthwash and toothpaste is a quick and easy process, and free of alcohol and other chemicals. We've included 6 straightforward recipes for creating your oral care products. As you can see, all of these ingredients are widely available, reasonably priced, and nutritious. They also aid in removing tartar and other bacteria from the mouth, so let's get started. Plaque is removed from your teeth by using these mixtures. Recipe 1 is a natural mouthwash: anise, mint oil, lemon and water. Mix a few drops of each ingredient in a glass of water and rinse 4 to 5 times per day. Recipe 2 is another natural mouthwash: 12 cup rosemary, 1 cup fresh mint, and 2 cups water. This one is perfect for built-up plaque. Boil the water, then add the mint and rosemary. Allow the mixture to sit for about 15 minutes before draining. When the mixture has cooled, thoroughly rinse your mouth. Recipe 3 is a natural toothpaste and good for plaque removal: 7 tablespoons coconut oil, 7 tablespoons baking soda, an essential oil such as tea tree oil or clove oil, and 1½ tablespoons stevia. Essential oils effectively inhibit plaque, can be used with dental implants, and inhibit certain problematic bacteria strains. Unrelated to this, but well worth mentioning, the scent of lavender oil reduces anxiety and stress. Mix all ingredients until the paste has a consistent texture. If desired, use this natural mixture instead of regular toothpaste daily. Recipe 4 has only one ingredient, coconut oil, and that's it. Dentists and other oral health practitioners have praised coconut oil for its numerous benefits, including fighting bacteria, cleaning orifices in the mouth, preventing cavities, and whitening teeth. Allow a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil to melt for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then, rinse with coconut oil daily to improve and maintain oral health. Recipe 5 is a natural toothpaste: 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 drop of essential oil and a few drops of water. Mix together into a paste and use as you would any toothpaste. Recipe 6 is another easy-to-make toothpaste: 2 tablespoons baking powder, 2 tablespoons coconut oil and 10 drops of essential oil. Mix well into a paste and use in place of your regular toothpaste. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and like and share it with any family or friends who find it helpful. Please hit the subscribe button.